Acid reflux is very common, and other symptoms may include vomiting, bad breath, tooth erosion, and a bit of sour taste in the back of the mouth. Acid reflux occurs when a well between the food pipe and stomach, known as lower esophageal sphincter, fails to close properly after eating, which allows stomach acid to leak up into the food pipe. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is just effective against the heartburn as is against the sunburn. Sip a little bit of the juice about half an hour before your meal to soothe the burn. Just one of the cup is enough to treat the heartburn. Chew some gums. Chewing some might seem like a very unlikely treatment for the acid reflux, but it occurs surprisingly well. This is because chewing a gum produces saliva in your mouth, and this saliva acts as an acid buffer. Moreover, when you chew a gum, it makes us swallow more often, pushing the acid back from esophagus into the stomach. Ginger root powder can be more effective for acid reflux problems that may over-the-counter medication. For optimal acid reflux treatment, use a tablespoon of the freshly grated root every day. You can put it in your smoothie or drink every morning. Banana and apples. Bananas contains natural antacid that act as a buffer against the acid reflux. If you want to try out the simplest home remedies for heartburn first, try letting a few bananas ripen up nicely and eating one every day. Coconut oil. This beneficial fat, antimicrobial and antibacterial. This can help to prevent the infection in the digestive tract. It's also very soothing to the gut and help nourish the nervous system.